Good morning, students. You are welcome in the 8th chapter of science, that is measurement. In this chapter, our learning outcomes are history of measurement and the latest standard of measurement of length, mass, capacity, time and temperature. So here let's begin our first topic. Our first topic is history of measurement. First of all, let us see the meaning of measurement. Measurement is the process of finding the size or quantity of anything. Children, do you ever think how things were measured in the olden days? Let us learn about it. In olden days, people used their different body parts to measure length. Some of the measures used in those days were hand span, that is the length between the tip of the thumb and the tip of the little finger of a fully opened palm. अगर अपना पूरा हाथ खोलकर आप मेज़र करेंगे तो थंब की टिप से लेकर छोटी उंगली की टिप तक जो डिस्टेंस है that is called hand span. Another distance is cubit. It is the length between the tip of the middle finger in open palm and the elbow. यानी पूरा हाथ यदि हम खोलें तो बड़ी उंगली की टिप से लेकर के हमारी एल्बो तक का जो डिस्टेंस है that is called cubit. And the another distance is fathom. It is the length of outstretched arms. आप अपने दोनों हाथ पूरी तरह खोलकर एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक का जब डिस्टेंस लेंगे that is called fathom. Okay, now let us learn about some units of measurement. So first of all, the measurement of length. Length is the size of measurement of an object from its one end to another, and measuring tape is used for measuring length, and the standard unit used to measure length is meter, and millimeter, centimeter and meter are used to measure smaller length such as the length of a pencil or a cloth piece, but kilometer is used to measure longer length or distance, like the distance between your home or your school will be measured in kilometers. Okay, the units of length can be changed from one to another. For example, as you have learned in mathematics, that 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter, 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, and 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometers. Okay, so next is measurement of mass. Mass tells us how heavy or light an object is, and beam balance or a weighing balance is an instrument to measure mass, and the standard unit of measure mass is kilogram. Milligram and gram are used to measure smaller mass, and kilogram is used to measure larger mass, like that of a big bag of potatoes and the mass of a person. And the units of mass can be changed from one to another. For example, 1000 milligrams is equal to 1 gram, and 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. Likewise, measurement of capacity. The capacity of a container is the amount of liquid it can hold. A measuring cylinder is an instrument used to measure capacity, and the standard unit used to measure capacity is liter. And milliliter and liter are used to measure smaller capacities such as water in the bottle, and kiloliter is used to measure larger capacities like that of a big tank of water. And unit of capacity can be changed from one to another. For example, 1000 milliliters is equal to 1 liter, and 1000 liters is equal to 1 kiloliter. Now measurement of time. The period between two events is called time. And the instrument which is used to measure time is a clock or a watch. And some of the units used to measure time are seconds, minutes and hour. The units of time can be changed from one to another. For example, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute and 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. And now measurement of temperature. See, temperature is the measure of how hot or cold an object is. It is measured using an instrument called a thermometer. And units used to measure temperature are degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. You might seen that doctors use a thermometer to measure the temperature of a patient who has fever. So these are the measurement of length, mass, capacity, time and temperature. So I hope you can understand these things. Thank you.